Hey guys, here's me on my trip to Ripley. Show you around my tent. Don't look inside there. Great tent, bit of storage, airbed, trusty boots. There's the bike. Bit of a campsite. Bike is everywhere. Pretty cool guys though. These are real bikers. They come out and they use their bikes. Kibble, take note, Dave, get yourself a tourer kid. Come and have a bit of fun. Okay, this is one of the camping fields. There's quite a lot of others. Some new arrivals. There's a guy, I met him on the way here. He's a guest speaker. So I'm going to go and have a look around the place now. See you in a bit guys.